let's do this. We're gonna make Andrew eat cocoa powder. So cute.
So the yellow sheet was
you guys are so cute.
Soul Sisters.
Aww. No. Andrew, don't.
Let's go. Y'all showing the thing. Let's go.
We are at Fred Meyer's and we're shopping. Stop.
So what?
I asked you not to do that.
Do what? I didn't do anything.
Where are we gonna look?
I don't know. What do you want?
Well, I'm gonna look this way. No. Then I think we're just gonna go home. It's just a quiet, nice Labor Day. Oh, babe.
It's a lazy Monday.
Monday. Gotta get down on Monday. Gotta get ready for the new school year. Oh. Look who can make up awesome songs. Me.
Oh my god. We got left in the car. The windows, look at this. The windows are rolled up all the way up. And they left us in the car. They didn't even leave the keys, so we can't even listen to the radio.
You're not even gonna show the van that you're freaked out by?
No. Oh no.
Don't open the car door because the alarm will go off. There's the van behind that car. That van.
Oh god, you seriously have to have the radio on?
Yes.
And the car on?
Yeah. We're at Waynco. We're gonna get some chips for the guacamole for tonight. It's a fun Labor Day, and it's an awesome day.
So hot.
It's
Why
so
are they
beautiful.
leaving us in here with the windows
It's
open?
so beautiful outside. Oh my god, I love it.
Why are they leaving?
She loves her mama. She's like, Mama, I'm supporting you. That's what she's saying. She's supporting you.
Alright, I'm gonna make Amber eat some.
We love you.
Too sweet, Tim.
Yep. Come on, Bubba. No. Okay, let go. Let go. Stay right here.
I'm just holding on you. I'm just really loving him.
Get a spoon.
Yeah, this thing is spoon. I'm not an animal.
You kind of are.
You kind of are an animal. Human animal.
Andrew eating cocoa powder.
Is that all I get? Can I have more than that?
Give him more. No, give him more than that. He wants more. Give him a whole spoonful.
It's delicious. Oh, girl.
You still want more?
No, I'm good.
You made a mess.
It's stuck on my mouth.
Cocoa powder my drink now.
You feel?
Delicious.
Don't you
isn't
love it?
It's so sweet.
You eat it into the van because
satisfies your
it satisfies your sweet tooth.
Hey, you looking at him? He's dying over here.
Where are you going? You like cocoa powder?
No.
Oh.
12 days.
I
The same
forgot
length
nothing.
as the Every Simpsons Ever Marathon. Now on FXX.
Anyway, people,
Smoked brisket.
me and Smo are gonna go to Gene. We're gonna take the bus. We're probably gonna get kidnapped.
Texas barbecue thick burger. New at Carl's Jr. and Hardee's.
So we're probably gonna get kidnapped.
Want to try out my time machine? It runs on Doritos.
Sure. So now what?
Gotta put the whole bag in.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, but we're gonna go to Gene. We're gonna have fun. Hi, Smo.
I have a really bad headache. I'm really irritated right now.
I'm super tired.
And also, YouTube uploaded my video and then deleted it and said it was corrupt. And now I have to reload today's video. So it will be up. It's, what time is it right now? It's 8 o'clock and our video isn't up. So
It's only 6 hours late.
it will be up in
An hour.
66 minutes.